In this video, I'll show you how to book a hotel room on booking.com. Alright, so here we are on the booking.com app, and what we need to do is make sure we are on stays, choose the city that we want to book in, choose your start and end dates, and how many rooms and how many people, and then hit search. Now search for the hotel that you want and click on it. You can review everything on this screen and then click on see availability for your dates. Now you need to choose one of the options that are available to you and then click on the little circle, then hit reserve. Now unfortunately the last screen won't allow me to record, but basically what it does is if you haven't completed filling in your details like your name, last name, email address, phone number, it'll ask you for that. And on the next screen it'll ask you for a payment method. And you can choose between card payments or Google Pay or Apple Pay, depending on what device you're on. And then all you need to do is hit reserve. And that's all I've got for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.